Shukriya, Shashwat.
It's still it's moving on. Yeah, now it's started. Recording has
Yeah.
been started. So today's topic is for the caste system. That should India go for the caste or it should be the casteless society in India? So according to me, the caste system is the unique feature of the Indian society, and it has the strong root in the Indian system. Since a long time, we wrote in our constitution that from the ages of the Vedic, from the medieval India, if we talk about from the ancient period, we talk about Indian caste system has a very unique part to it. And when the Constituent Assembly was also set up, the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was the main chairman of the Constituent Assembly, he also talked about the casteless society, but for the 10 years only. But after 10 years, means caste should be taken off by the constitution. But as we talk about the basic feature of the constitution, it's in the written in the preamble itself that in Indian constitution it talk about the socialist, secular, and democratic society. So what is secular? Means we should respect the caste system. So according to my point of view, caste is the main forefront, and it is the major role playing in the Indian
Actually,
we
according to
talk
me, the
about the
caste system should be abolished in India because it has been creating a lot of problems for the people from the general category. As we can see, like the people who are from like SC or ST background, they're able to get the admission in great colleges with like a lower amount of marks as compared to the students who have been scoring like around 600 in JEE and the people who are scoring 300. They have been able to get the mark. So the caste system should have been abolished in India. It should be like it has been like creating a problem in the growth of the country as a whole. I think so.
As per my
Yeah,
perspective, caste reservation system should be. I will go with the Praveen. As per my perspective, and the caste reservation should be eliminated from the, especially from the education sector. As per the, if we talk about the Constitution of the India, which is made by the our honorable chief architect of the Constitution of India, which is who is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. As per his given in the Constitution that in each 15 year there should be a rotation or there should be a change made in the caste reservation system. From that perspective, each caste has been given some amount of each caste will get a chance to do in their own field, and as well as the caste reservation system is also demolished, especially from the education system, because it create a barrier, but it create like a discrimination from the those students who is good in studies, and also they didn't deserve the what they like to deserve in the in field of education.
Actually, caste system.
I also agree with the
Suryan?
Praveen point that the caste system should be demolished. As we can see in India, private sector also companies generally hire peoples on the basis of their uh, s- uh, immunity or what we call on their achievement. And we can also see that Karnataka has started following this rule. They give license to peoples who donate organs. They put the green dot on their this D. So it is a great step towards this.
I agree with Suryansh and all. Like the caste system, people are taking benefits of that. They are not actually working for it and working hard, but the general category and the people who are actually deserving for that post or for that category, they aren't getting the job just because on the score and the advantage that the caste system has given them. It has made them benefited them the most.
I
The
think
sector which has been
education
impacted the
shows a very education is a very narrow perspective. I think the reservation should be on the basis of poverty. First of all, the poor people who can't afford education or any other thing should be given the priority, not on SC or ST. I think there are more than 22 crores of SC in our country, but they are not getting benefit in a broader picture. There are only lakhs of jobs.
SCST was SCST was implied just because of this poverty only, because that was the backward class of the society. The people thought that they should be given a chance, but this had been used by them as a bad aspect. They have been taking advantage of that. It has also divided the
Okay,
society.
I want to
So
make
the
a point here.
reservation.
So what I feel is there is so much brain drain due to talent leaving the country, as upper caste feel that they are working hard and they are not getting the equal opportunity like lower caste people. So actually brain drain means they feel that they leave the country it will be better, because there is no caste system in foreign countries. So they actually leave the country, and as they leave, and our country have no talent. And now
The sector.
there is this stigma also attached with lower caste people, that they feel that upper caste people point out that you weren't the deserving, and you got the position because of this caste reservation system. So that's major point. Uh, Thanks.
First, we need to understand why we need reservation systems for upliftment of lower caste and show the. And secondly, we should get the adequate representation in every field, like education sector, government jobs, and legislative. So, I think these reservation system is taking in a wrong way. People are taking in a wrong way. People are misusing that. Like political parties are taking at getting their vote banks because of this reservation system. Secondly, it's easy to manipulate income certificate. So people can easily manipulate income certificate and get a reservation for that. So I believe reservation should be banned, and reservation is providing a major obstruction in a casteless society.
Okay,
I am
two
Caste
minutes.
also
sector
in
which has
You
been
are
agreement
impacted
making
the
with
most
ten,
according to the
10
caste
minutes
sector
are
is the
over.
government
that
sector. As we can already see, like the government sector, it's like the people are having from SC or ST caste. Like the working for the government sector as compared to the private sector is very slow, which has been hampering the growth of the country in a bad way.
Praveen, adding to your
Also,
point, like there are 22 crores of SC/ST people in India, and how many jobs are available for them? I think not even in lakhs also. So we
this
can
We
doesn't lie
can't,
easily
with
say
everyone.
first of
that.
all, we can't
Actually,
consider the
the
people based on their
complexity of the
caste.
job
Jobs
problem
are
is
available
lying.
on their capacity and ability.
Yes, so
Like
that's
even I
why
am
I'm
from like
The
a
saying that
60
complexity of
reservation
background.
the
should
job
not be
is
based on
applicable
jobs
for
one and all.
everyone.
I think
all
the topic is about the casteless society. It's not about the reservation or the jobs. It's the topic is about the should India go for the casteless society or we should remain in the
Shashwat,
caste.
it's about the reservation also. Is reservation
So I think
providing
what
Reservation is
I
opportunity?
creating a
what I'm saying that
barrier.
protecting against the caste system is not good for the country. In from the last 1000 or for many years, the India was dreaming for the caste society, but now it's not been achieved. So instead of the criticizing the caste system, we should go for an option based, that what are the good option available instead of the caste system. Because one thing we can say, the caste always the restriction always gives for the opportunity, and the restriction also gives the ability to achieve it. So instead for criticizing the casteless society, we should go for the caste as our forefathers have seen it.
But
We can't
Shashwat,
continue
it
the
is
thing which has happened in the past.
healing our unity. It is healing our unity. We are
it's
that the
it's not telling
discrimination
about
was
our unity.
being the
It's not telling
We
about
discrimination.
our
can easily.
unity.
The caste is
It's
creating a
clearly written in the
discrimination in the society. First thing, this the caste is creating a barrier or creating like a discrimination in the society. There should be a there should be reservation not on the basis of the caste, reservation on the basis of the poverty line, which is the point given by the Muskan. I like to appreciate her, and uh, because the poverty is the only thing which as per my perspective, poverty is the only thing which highly which give the reservation for the any people, not on the basis of their caste or something else, because the government has provided ample amount of services and ample amount of resources to the people of the India. Like there is in every city of the in every city of the India there is a appropriate good we cannot say good, but there is a appropriate government boys college, a boys school, and government girls school. So there is a the education in the reservation in the education is not given by the government, but the reservation in the given reservation or something else given by the government in respect of poverty. If the people is like
Uh,
below the poverty
Can
line or
now
So
can
there
we
is
That's a
one
can we
very
go for
question:
good
how
2 minutes
can you
conclusion
define
question.
time?
poverty? Like poverty, you are saying. So how will you define poverty? Because income certificate can be easily manipulated. People can easily fake income certificate. So how can a government can say that this amount or this person is lies in a poverty area?
so while make that's a major problem which we have said. like uh, uh, there is a whole there is a whole problem in the system only. If I belong from a upper monetary family, and you belong from the lower monetary family, then there should be for making a for making a income certificate, then there is no restriction or no some procedure followed by the any government employee. There is so for that the government has to change the system and make some strictness in their whole line of authority. And if the work should if there is proper chain of work done by the each employee of the government, if each government employee, then then it should likely to work better.
Also, the casteless system was made, not caste system was made because people are by our forefathers. That was not made for reservation kind of thing. And talking about poverty, that what Akash talked about, it's like we can't measure the poverty also, he told it. So it's like the casteless system is good, we can support it, because but reservation should not be there, because reservation has created divided the society in two parts. And also the people are taking benefit of that always. The people who are more deserving are not getting the things. I think the best thing is to base it on the deserving criteria. The person who is the most deserving should be given a job or the post which he or she has applied for, rather than basing it on the poverty and the caste system.
I agree with
Yes,
her,
I would like
and
to.
I think if there should be casteless society first of all, and if there has to be some benefits to give given to some section of society, so it should be to defranchise section first of all, and I think yes, the deserving criteria that's matter the most for now, because at the end of the day, the poorer becomes poorer and the rich becomes richer. That's it. It's
And
been
also the government has also led so many policies for serving the society and for serving the lower caste people. So the government is taking step. Reservation is not the best option according to me.
Guys, now can we go for conclusion, because we are exceeding our time limit.
just a question: is my video visible or
Yeah,
not?
Yeah, you are visible.
So I would like to conclude that for me, I can say that caste system we can't remove. Can't caste system can't be removed, but we can remove the reservation system because uh, reservation is taking us in a wrong way. People are manipulating that laws which are made by government. Political parties are getting benefit through these reservation system, not a good candidate or good student, because even a general student who can score good marks, just because of he did not lie in that reservation criteria, he is not able to get promoted to get that job. For example, the best example we can talk about Tina Dabi. Tina Dabi was, I'm not saying that she was not the good, but there are much better candidates than her. But she got through because of this reservation system. So I believe that we can't remove caste system, but we should remove the reservation.
Yes, I would like to conclude that the caste systems that is prevailing in our country, it generally restricts opportunity that are available, and a restriction of opportunity generally leads to uh, constrictions of abilities, and it's an endless cycle that goes on and on, as the constriction in ability will furtherly lead to other restrictions in opportunity. in future.
Since there are many provisions in our constitution to go for the casteless society, by abolishing the untouchability and providing equality to all without discriminating based on the caste. So, according to my point of view, caste play a major role in our society, but with the young people of the country, uh, they are moving away from the caste because there is a section of the society which has become casteless. But majority of India is still believe in caste. To eradicate a holistic approach from the government, political parties, and from there should be civil society should be made by the constitution to go for a casteless society. And I think India should need the caste. India should go for the caste system because it is always mentioned in our constitutions also. So since the truth of Indian social division, many efforts made under independence to abolish the caste, but it has not been achieved, and in the future also we do not be able to achieve the casteless society. I think what India is doing is correctly right, that we should go for the caste system only.
I agree to Shashwat, as it is the mindset of our forefathers, and it has been carried forward from a long period of time. It is not easy to change the mindset of all the society, all the generations at this point of time, or at any generation, because the generation would continue with the forefathers' thought only. So it is not possible to create the casteless society, but we can do that. We can create a society that there is no reservation policies for them. We can use the caste system, but not as as a thing that you can get this job or get this score and you can take admission. The people should understand that on the basis of their caste and their certificates they won't be able to crack that. They have to work hard for everything they want. People are also faking their certificates, their income certificates, their caste certificates, so that they can get the jobs, because the caste system is relevant in the society. So caste should system can't be removed, but reservation categories for the different caste systems should be removed.
Coming over to the conclusion, I
So
don't think
my
our system should be continued over a long period of time. Even for the forefathers have continued over the last few decades, but we need to remove because it has been creating a lot of problem for the people who are ready to grow. We are not having a proper opportunity to grow, like even the government sector, private sector, even the students who are ready to learn and earn, like they are not able to grow. For me, caste system should be totally abolished in India. Even though the way is quite long for people, we should go for the cashless society because it will help the people in the long run and will able to achieve the goals we can go.
Okay,
as per
so
my
I want to say,
perspective, so
facing the coming to the reality, we can't remove the caste-based system, but we can surely make some changes in the reservations, and if possible, reservation should be on the basis of poverty if required. Because I don't think there's any requirement of any reservation. For example, SC would SC ST or any other caste system, lower backward caste, won't know the won't hard work or won't do hard work or anything. So I think general category people and there is a lot of violence going uh, on the basis of this issue. So please, so I think it's high time that we should make solid changes to reservation. Thank you.
so as per my perspective, I just go for the demolition of the or removal of the reservation system, not the caste system, because it cannot be removed as it is a mindset of our forefathers given to us. So as the reservation should be improved because it creating a discrimination between in the society, and it also it also capturing it also demolishing the opportunity from from the student who are good and who were good and didn't get the opportunity to go to good college or something else. And so if my perspective, I just want to say only that there should be policies changed by the government in the respect of the reservation system, not as a caste.
So everyone has completed their. Everybody has given their conclusion point. Okay. So can now I end the meeting? Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.